Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How's everybody doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, seeing what I'm up to today. Today I have a leather look Christmas journal, and I just decorated the front flap, and I hope you can see the detail of that. And that was made using a pop can box. Now I learned how to do this from Dawn over at the Book Vandal Shop, and I will add her links below. This is a really cool technique, and yeah, I think you're gonna like it. Let's see, what have I got here? This is closed. It's 4 3/4 by 9, and when I open it up, it's 12 3/4 by 9, of course. This is a design team project for Fifi the Papercrafter, and the kit is called Laurie's Christmas Wish. This journal has 48 pages inside. I just wanted a small journal that wasn't overly decorated for, you know, keeping track of my shopping and all those kind of things like that. So when I open it up, here's the inside. This is fabric that I have here. I'm not sure if you can see that gold fleck that's in that fabric, but it's really pretty. And I'm going to flip it over so you can see the back. Now, the way I did this, got this look, was just from shoe polish. So I gave it a coat, let it dry, gave it another coat, let it dry. I think I may have given it 3 coats. And then when it was completely dry, I just buffed it. And I got this beautiful look here. So let's open it up again. Here we go. Got 2 pockets over on this side. This is a Santa from the kit, and these are just some die cuts that I have. I have this tag from the kit, and this tag from the kit, and they're backed onto some sturdy card. Also, I have a whale tail punch, you guys. I can't believe it. Scrap store, $6. Fantastic. I saw that and I about fell out. It was like, oh, I can't believe this. So, taking a chance that it actually worked, I bought it, and it works just like a treat, I tell you. So we got those 2 pockets there. This is, all the printed pages are from the kit, and then I just have some coffee dyed pages in along with it. There's a little washi tape down here. There's the Santa Claus. Got a pocket here from the kit. I made a little collage down here, and I've got 2 tags in here. And this one, this little design here, that was another punch that I got at the scrap store. So well, I made out pretty well that day. I was quite happy. Oh, and I do have some vintage ledger pages in here as well. And cute little girls all throughout the book here. I have some fabric tabs. These are just some die cuts. Tim Holtz Snowflake mini impresslets are what those are. They cut beautifully. Here I got another little pocket, another card, or 2 tags here, another little pretty girl. This is just a die cut up here. Over here I have a little matchbook notebook. That's not easy to say. And just got some the cutoffs from the ledger pages in here. And I just put some little beads on the end of the string. Got another tab. Here's one of the little girls with a die cut frame. Really pretty pages she's got in this kit. And these are coffee dyed, so they're not really the true vibrant color that they are. Have it bound with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then also they're held in the book with elastic, and that can be, of course, removed and replaced as you use it. Got a pocket here with a Santa. There he is again. This is just a sticker that I had. So we got those. Another fabric tab. Another pocket with a little girl on the front of this tag. And Santa here. And another one of those little stickers that I had. This is a poinsettia I cut off out of a page in the kit. And then I just embossed it. Give it a little dimension. There's another little girl in one of those gold frames, little washi tape. This pocket here, this is a stamp from the kit, and I put the postmark on there and then gave that a little bit of embossing as well. Another 2 tags. Oops. So this kit's got plenty of, you know, really pretty background pages and journaling pages as well. So it's quite nice. As usual, she did a great job with this kit. Another page from the kit. That's almost the end of the signature. Got my library card here because I didn't have a place to put it on the other side, which you'll see in just a minute, and I just did a little collage on here. This I flipped over because I didn't want to lose half of the deer, but I covered up this one's head with Merry Christmas, so oh well, it didn't work out so well, but hey. Got another 2 pockets over here. Got a big tag in that pocket. And I've got another little book here. This one's just been stapled, and it's just got coffee dyed paper in it, so there's more writing space there for you. So that's it. I really enjoyed making this. Oh, it has 48 pages in there, in case I didn't say that earlier. So yeah, I appreciate you for stopping by. My regular subscribers, thanks for coming back. And anybody new, I would hope you would like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I am uploading new videos. Also, I'm going to put Dawn's links down below, my information down below, and also don't forget, we're working towards that 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that is detailed in the Winter's Magic video, which is the journal that will be given away, and I'll link that down below as well. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Have a great week, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.